Great. Logan,
Yes.
how are you doing today?
I'm doing very well.
Logan, what brought you into the office?
Well, brought me today is because that I always had pain in my leg after everything. And then from then on, they told me that my foot was 2 inches shorter. So we just had to do like a hip adjustment every month, straighten out my back also.
Along with the hip adjustments, how about the flexibility that we were able to do? Did that increase?
That increased a lot, definitely. So since I play soccer, it really shows the great difference from when I don't do regular checkups to when I do. It shows the difference of my capability and my improvement and flexing a lot.
Do you notice that there are less injuries at this point in time than you've had before?
Very much so. I guess after I had my huge injury in my ASL, after that, since I continually came here, I've been avoiding all that, hardly any injuries. And, yeah,
beautiful. Logan, turn your head to the left for me, please. Middle. Turn it to the right for me, please. Put it down. That right there? Let that relax. Drop here. Drop, let it go. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out, relax. Deep breath in, out, relax. Again, out, relax. All the way. Good. Push your foot. Rest. Push again. Rest. Breathe. Don't push. Good. Push. Again. Breathe. Don't push.
So sorry.
Good. Let me have this side up, please. Hold this elbow. Bend this knee. Relax. Push this knee to the ceiling. Good. Push again. One more time. Good. Breathe. Get the leg. Step up and over. Take a nice healthy deep breath in. Out. Good. Other side, please. Ooh, watch. Look at that. I just caught that. Bend. Push up. Push again. Breathe. Lift up and over. Drop, drop, drop. Good. On your back. Push down. Rest. Push down. Rest. Breathe. Turn out. Turn in. Bring it down. Push down. Again. Breathe. Turn out. In. Bend. Move the hands.
Oh, step two.
Point. Let it go. Let it relax. Now step relax.
Oh, it was, yeah, it's more difficult.
The little bitty details. Right, clinical. one is more difficult.
He's 40 years old. He doesn't remember.
Since the adjustment, you were complaining about a shoulder about a week or two ago, and we started
Yeah.
working on it, and we gave you
Yes.
some exercises. Could you briefly describe what we did for you?
Well, when you came in, you gave me, I told you about my shoulder pain. At first, I gave
Electric stim.
electrostim to massage, I guess, the muscle and working that's in there. From then on, you told me to do certain massage stretches in the morning and in the afternoon.
Clock exercise.
Clock exercise, which is pretty much standing like 2 inches away from the wall, and then placing your hand in the middle, and then raising it up to 12 o'clock, lean in towards the chest to the wall, count to 10, bring it back to the middle, to 11, all the way until you reach 6 o'clock.
So essentially, you were working on all points of the
Yeah.
clock in
All
both
points of the
directions
clock,
in the
yeah.
morning and in the afternoon. And since then, and with your regular adjustments, how's your shoulder been?
So this pain gets relieved every morning. I don't feel it throughout the day. Maybe a little bit throughout the afternoon, but once I start doing the stretch, the pain goes away again.
Excellent.
And I've only seen improvements since then.
Terrific. And overall, for the adjustments that you're getting now, everything looks well. Everything seems to be fitting very well for you. Do you
Yes.
have any other comments or anything that you'd like to say?
No, to be honest, I'm glad I came here since the start. I gave my faith to you, and thank God you fixed me.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so
Have
much.
a wonderful day.
Thank you.